Hey there, are you a business owner struggling to generate high quality content for your business?
In this fast-paced digital age, it's easy to feel overwhelmed with modern technologies like ChatGPT and how to use it for business and content marketing.
Couldn't agree more. We are hosting a free 60-minute live interactive workshop where we'll dive deep into the world of ChatGPT and its use cases for content marketing. Imagine using an AI tool customized for your content strategy.
And we've seen firsthand how using ChatGPT benefits business. It's a real game changer. With over 35 plus years of combined marketing experience, we've tailored this free, interactive workshop to help you unlock the true potential of ChatGPT for your business.
You will learn how industry professionals use ChatGPT for content creation, master market research, create content marketing plans, and craft SEO optimized blog posts that not only generate traffic but also engages and attracts your customers.
And it's not just about the how, we'll also explore the whys too. Why should you focus on the research and customer personas? Why is understanding your customer pain points is crucial? And why oh why shouldn't you miss out on this fantastic workshop?
Did we mention we got some cool bonuses like premium ChatGPT prompts lined up for attendees? It's our way of saying thanks for embarking on this journey with us.
So, if you're a business owner, an entrepreneur, or just someone curious about the future of content marketing with tools like ChatGPT, this free workshop is tailor-made for you.
We have poured our passion for innovation, growth, and data into this and can't wait to share it with you.
So, what do you say? Are you ready to dive into the world of ChatGPT for content marketing with us?
Click the link below to register to our live ChatGPT workshop worth $270 absolutely free. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. We'll see you at the workshop.